What is up, Flowmies and Homies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the behind the head shoulder roll. Prerequisites to this move is a reverse figure eight and then also a forward figure eight. So to start, we're going to be doing the reverse figure eight on one side of our body, and I'm going to slightly tilt my head forward, and then I'm going to let go with it. Flowstar is on the inside of my arm. And when I let go, I'm gonna let my hand is gonna be right on my shoulder. Without the Flowstar, it's gonna look like this. And then I'm also gonna catch it really close to my head on the other side. So it's gonna look like this. So reverse figure eight. And then we're gonna let it go on the inside. And we're gonna catch it on the other side and do a forward figure eight. So again, we're gonna be letting go right next to our hand with our palm facing out, and we're gonna catch it with our palm facing out on the inside of the Flowstar. So reverse figure eight, roll your head forward just a little bit, forward figure eight. And that is how you do the behind the head shoulder roll. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more.